Greetings friends, if you are looking to automate your Instagram account usage on a large scale, I will present a tool that assists you in achieving this goal. This tool is called Mark Instagram, created by our team. With this tool, we will have all the features available on the Instagram platform, as you can see, from interactions, spam, sending, following, to other features like changing information. It includes all features such as messaging, following, and scraping user data. To manage the number of Instagram accounts we use, we will utilize the interaction feature. This software allows us to control many Instagram accounts. Here I have about 300 accounts, around 300 accounts. Now, if you want these accounts to interact automatically, the first thing you need to do is set up a sales channel for me. I have set up a sales channel already, which is, as you can see, we can include many other actions here. If you want to add and use other features, you can take a look. Here, I will do a simple setup of a few basic things, and you just need to add them. So we have 3 actions in a script that I find necessary. If you don't like this action, you can right-click and delete it. That's it. We will only have 2 scripts left. After that, please select the script that you actually need here. Just press start to get the software running. As you can see here, I am requesting permission to operate 12 accounts simultaneously. The accounts will interact on their own. Each account will launch in a separate Chrome tab and operate on its own. These accounts will function as if they are real users. This means checking notifications and reading messages. See messages, so that you can check each story and post separately. For the software we have designed, which is now available worldwide, if you like it, please contact me and I will assist you with setup and usage guidance.